Hi, I'm Kim Alda with the Bailey Education Group, sharing a tech tip. My favorite thing about the learning management system Canvas and its ability to seamlessly integrate Google, particularly your Google Drive. Before you can do so, you have to enable your Google Drive in your settings. Click on your account icon above your dashboard icon. Select the option Settings. Scroll down to Web Services and select the Google Drive option. Authorize Google Drive access. Select the Google Drive that you would want to use in Canvas. Allow. Once you have done so, you can seamlessly upload assignments to your Canvas account from your Google Drive. This is an easy way to merge two great programs together for your classroom instruction. Here at Bailey Education Group, we look forward to seeing all you are doing in your learning management systems. We are here to help you in any way. Please stay tuned for other tips provided by the Bailey Education Group.